I don't really buy into work-life balance. And the reason being is that balance as a word means equal, to keep things on equal. And that's not possible all the time. And I think that puts a lot of pressure on people if they try to balance. So the perspective I've always taken is more thinking about things realistically for me. So the balance has got to be what's right for me and at that time. And so if it's about being really focused on work and feeling good about something that I'm achieving, then that's where I spend my time. And equally thinking about the people around me. So those people that really support me, making sure I make time for them as well. So it's really about not putting the pressure on yourself, but recognizing when you do need to take a step away. So I never feel guilty if I've worked a full day, or if I've slept in and I still want to go out for a walk to clear my head, I'll do that, because I know that it's not about the hours that I spend sitting at my desk. It's actually about the entire piece of work I'm doing, both personally and professionally.